Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing LibreOffice versus OpenOffice, two of the most popular free alternatives to Microsoft Office. So let's see which one is better for you. Starting with OpenOffice, now this one's from Apache and it's a free open source office suite that includes all the basics, a word processor, spreadsheet, presentation tool, and more. It's great if you want something simple, stable, and light on older computers. However, OpenOffice hasn't seen many updates in recent years. Its interface feels outdated and it lacks some of the modern features and improvements that today's users might expect. Now, let's talk about LibreOffice. It actually started as a fork of OpenOffice, but it's evolved far beyond that. LibreOffice offers all the same core apps, Writer, Calc, Impress, and more, but with frequent updates, better compatibility with Microsoft Office formats, and a more modern, polished interface. It's perfect for users who want a rich, regularly maintained suite. The only downside, because it's updated so often, you might occasionally run into small bugs, but those usually get fixed fast. So, what's the difference? Both suites are free and open source, but LibreOffice clearly stands out with its active development, better in performance, and modern design. OpenOffice, on the other hand, while still stable, feels like it's been left behind in time. So, if you want something current, compatible, and full of features, you want to go with LibreOffice. But if you prefer something simple, lightweight, and stable, OpenOffice can still get the job done. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!